Hi, welcome back to Creative Digital Designs. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to create mock-ups for your products using Canva. So I'm going to get right into it. So whether you are doing t-shirts, mock-ups, or coffee mugs, or candles, or any type of product, I'm going to show you how to do it. So right here, I just clicked on Instagram post size image here. You can do whatever sizing you want. But if you're going to be promoting on social media, this is a good size to use. And so we're going to go over here. And so there's different ways to do it. We're going to go over here to apps and we're going to type in mockups. And as you see here, you can actually do place it mockups. That's a popular company. You probably have to just sign in to your Placeit account and be able to do it. So we're going to go ahead and just click mockups right here just to see here. And these are the simple mockups. So right here we have print, we have phones, uh, we have apparel, we have computers, we have home and living. This is where you would do the mugs and pillows and bags. We have the packaging. Outdoors, if you wanted to create some type of advertising or marketing for your business, you can have these mock-ups as well. So we're going to go over here to apparel, and you can look through and look at models to see that would fit your brand or the type of look that you're looking for. And we're going to go through and find one. We'll select a person there, and all you have to do is hit edit, and you drop the image directly into the picture. So let me go over here. You can look at your uploads. You can upload the file directly from your computer, or we can go over here to elements and we can type in dog, and then we're going to see how it looks on there. And then now you can go ahead and edit it, and you can put fit, apply changes. So now you have it where it fits on the actual shirt, or you can bring it in a little bit more, center it, then you just go ahead and hit apply changes. If you want to change the color of the shirt, you go ahead and click it right here, and then you just hit apply changes, and you can see how it looks. And you can select whatever color that you want, and then go ahead and apply changes. We're going to go back for the white. And there you go. So if you don't like this brown background and you want it to just be a plain background, what you would have to do is you're going to go ahead and hit share, download, and yes, hit PNG and then hit download. Then you're going to go ahead and bring this, what you just downloaded, and upload it directly into Canva. Now you have it selected, and then you're going to go ahead and hit background remove. Now you have it with a you can download this with a transparent background, or if you like the white, you can download as is. So you're just going to hit download. If you don't want any background, you're going to hit transparent. If you want it with the white, you're going to now select that page and hit download, and then you'll have your mockup. So this is how you can create a mockup within Canva. And you can do this for any type of product that you have: candles, pillows, if you want to do phone mockups, tablets, anything. And so yes, this is how you would do a mockup in Canva. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Please comment, like, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss a video. And have a great day.